not mandatory. That
It's
is,
mandatory, and more the concern is this violation of Article 14, 16.
sir, I want to know only simple thing that yes, you have given an appointment in emergent situation. Now these teachers must have this
Basic qualification.
basic qualification. So to be a teacher in school, government secondary or B.Ed is the qualification of Patro. I will record everyone's submission. B.Ed is not an essential qualification, training qualification for the teachers
Secondary
in
teacher.
secondary or higher secondary school.
For secondary teachers, B.Ed is necessary.
Yes. B.Ed, right? এখানে এসো তো এদিকে এসো ওখানে বসে বসে কি হবে দাঁড়ায় বসে থাকলে হবে Seat. One thing must be clear to everyone that there is an order of injunction.
From giving any further appointment.
Yes.
Okay. But not.
Where is that order? Kindly give me the order date.
My lord, in fact, Lord did not record any order.
Yes, I did. Please, I did. Yes, CID, give your report. Without giving report, you cannot leave the court today.
Report আছে তো? Report है ना?
The legality and propriety of the regularization of guest teachers / voluntary teachers in the government-aided school at GTA area is under challenge. In the instant writ petition, such regularization per se is not sanctified by any procedure prescribed under the law. As such, the concerned authorities are restrained from regularizing the appointment of such teacher until further orders. Now,
The state regularization.
now, even thereafter, if there is any appointment, whose responsibility to bring it in the Mr.
It
Dotto?
was the basic duty of GTA and the Lord.
Whose responsibility is to do in other matters to bring this injunction order to the knowledge of the court? Where GTA is appearing, where state is appearing, you are not bringing this to the knowledge of the courts.
No, your lordship. After 313, nobody has been given the regulation, your lordship. After 313, there is.
I will record Mr. Subba,
My instructions are that.
where
And your lordship,
GTA
and
and
your lordship
state is
regarding
appearing,
that-
if any approval is given under the order of the court, and thereafter the state is taking the plea that under the court's order we have done it, it amounts to contempt.
Order নিচ্ছে।
Remember, we need to ascertain whether the other court's order is before 11th October or after.
I'm telling you, Mr. Dotto, please inquire.
Very well.
Still, Mr. Samim mentioned,
Yes, yes.
still writ petitions are being filed for approval, where state is appearing, where GTA is appearing, but this has not brought to the notice of the court. There is already an order of injunction.
The 6th of September 2024, certain regularization that was made following the order of the court, where both 6th of September 2024.
I will hold contempt because it is the duty of the court, you and the GTA to bring it.
And the
That you-
orders were obtained in presence of the state and also GTA.
11th অক্টোবরের পরে কোনো রেগুলারাইজেশন?
This should have been brought to the notice of
Basic duty. Only after when Mr. Samim coming to know of this intervened, then few petitions were.
Mr. Dotto,
Yes, my lord.
please instruct your appearing advocates. They must apprise the court that there is an order of injunction now regarding approval. And bypassing all norms of procedure, it's still approval is being given.
Last approval কবে হয়েছে?
This is the division bench order. This was not brought to the notice.
আমাদেরকে নিয়ে যায় না তো
Mr. Dotto, take instruction from everyone in the north, in the circuit bench and others. This is not, when counsel like you people are arguing the matter, you should have informed. This should not have been done. You may prefer an appeal against the order of injunction.
It's done in circuit bench, Your Lordship, by the Lordship.
Yeah. Circuit bench is, but the advocates, the instructing advocates are the same.
Same authority, circuit bench is different.
This is very, very unfortunate. You are indulging in illegality. Everywhere you are indulging in illegality. There's an order of injunction by the court, and obviously I will set aside all appointment, all approval.
2023.
Then started crying. The court has done it, court has done it.
Yeah.
Now see the stand of the state in these affidavit. In paragraph 3,
Yes, it was very clear.
please take the pain of reading, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, please take the pain of reading the paragraph 3 of your affidavit. Your affidavit is ultimately what you are saying, that you are also astonished. The school education department is thus awaiting response of the financial implication of the regularization of 313 teachers, after which the said report for final would be placed before the finance department, followed by the decision of the cabinet or final approval. It is pertinent to note from the affidavit opposition such and such GTA in the batch of Suman Gurung and such, I was made aware that 313 volunteers have already been provided with an approval. Appointment of the district inspector such and such without awaiting the completion of the process of approval had been done for the earlier instance of regular 439 student teachers. The answer in response states no such instruction had ever been accorded to the DI of Darjeeling by the answering respondent number 2 to provide approval of 313. Stop salary of this 313.
Lordship, kindly come to this. Lordship, there is one order which has been passed on 8th of March 2019, Your Lordship, where the state government has said various issues reached education in the hill areas of Darjeeling, Kalimpong district. Lordship. This is the approval of 313, Your Lordship.
No,
There is no mention of this thing, Lordship.
this is, see this affidavit before me.
This is,
There is
they
no
wanted
mention
to.
of-
And very basic, go to the very basic, come to your affidavit. When I thought, yes, how the children will get the students. If they are otherwise qualified, very well. Instead of disturbing the school, the student, then give me the affidavit of GTA.
আরে জজ এত রেগে যাচ্ছে কেন? জজ এত রেগে যাচ্ছে কেন? কোনো বুঝি না। হ্যাঁ।
439 না একটা আছে। Supplementary দেখো একটা।
সেই কমিটিকে আমি কিছু আমাকে পরামর্শ রাখি সে কথা বলে চেক
দাও।
সাপ্লিমেন্টারি অরিজিনাল জিটিএ সাপ্লিমেন্টারি কোথায়?
Yes, take your affidavit affirmed on 23rd April 2024. Come to the list. See, the 300 teachers, at least 80% of it don't have any training qualification. How can you justify the appointment? They don't have any, even the training qualification. This is Darjeeling is somewhere different, somewhere out of India. Mr. Dotto, please take the affidavit of 23rd April. State is not supporting the approval. But unfortunately, order of injunction has not been brought to the court. How can state approve this kind of appointment? And in your affidavit, you are saying that we are not. I have recorded Mr. Dotto's, if the court finds, the 313 teachers may go. But see that list, BA, MSc, 1 BA, BA. See that qualification. Is it not required the training qualification of a teacher? So stop salary first is 313. Let them come and explain.
313 along with the 439.
439, there is an issue that I don't know whether it is way teachers can be appointment. This is one aspect. And the criminal investigation is the other aspect. Let us first assure that no government exchequer should not be taxed with this salary of these persons.
দাদা কোন এফিডেভিটটা বলছো তোমার? তোমাদের কোন এফিডেভিটটা?
23rd April. Have you got the copy? Please see that. এটা দাও তো।
আমি আর দিচ্ছি না।
এই 23rd এপ্রিলটা একটু দেখো না শিবানী। এই যে
না, দেখুন না।
I will go to the criminality part first.
The criminality may wait. By the direction of stopping salary, not only for 313, but for 413 and also. But that will be a one step forward, will to correct these sort of illegalities.
And still approval is going on, and it has been given
Surreptitious.
beautiful wrapper is, we are working for 10 years, give us approval. Similar kind of teachers have been given approval. High Court, of course, the honorable judge has not been apprised of.
Yes.
There is an order of injunction. There is an, how can it be?
না আমি ডেটটা দেখছিলাম এটা দিন আমার
When you are considering finance department, cabinet approval is awaiting. By the time GTA has your DI has given approval. That is why the FIR, that is the committee has found him, at least found him that you are responsible for that. But how you can still disbursing salary to this 313 list is before you. Stop salary of this 313.
রিপোর্ট এফিডেভিট নিয়ে
But you will kindly give us a opportunity to file an affidavit, Roshi, and find out what is there.
That affidavit is already your affidavit. From your affidavit, I am reading. I am reading from your affidavit.
What will be drastic, Roshi? Stopping. Roshi,
No, no.
kindly give one opportunity.
Mr. Subba, you cannot justify in any event, see the qualification. If today you find that a class 8 pass man will be teaching in a high school and you will be saying that they are working for 10 years, therefore their family, their children, you should not touch them, this cannot be tolerated because the other children will be affected.
It is not all, Your Lordship, those who are not PA.
313, if you
313 all.
take this first one, second one, fourth one, fifth one, 15, then again 16, then again 19 to everyone. First of all, their appointment state is not supporting. State is not supporting, affidavit says, and Mr. Dotto, may I read
What
again?
is there, Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Order is
May I
there.
read again? What I have recorded in my order,
11th October
possibly in 11th October, na?
11th October 23
Yes.